After looking at the practice test in Chapter 2, I noticed that they didn't ask for graphing or showing interval notation on that paper test, but in MathLab they will ask you for it. So once you've solved it and x is greater than 5, how do you graph it? Well, they will have multiple choice on a number line, and you'll of course select the 5. Now, to indicate that x is greater than 5 and 5 then is not included in the set, you would choose the parenthesis. And this goes from 5 then, but doesn't include 5, up to infinity. Now, how would you write this in interval notation? Well, again, you can take it right from the graph. A parenthesis, 5, comma, and then this goes to positive infinity, and infinity always has a parenthesis. Now for our next example, we have x is less than or equal to, once you solved it, a -3. And again, -3 would be on the graph. Now to indicate that -3 is a member of that set and is included, you would use a bracket. But since this is less than, the bracket faces toward the left. And what is out here? Negative infinity. So when you put this into interval notation, it's coming from negative infinity. Again, always starts with a parenthesis, negative infinity, comma, and then -3. And again, since the -3 is included in the set, we use a bracket. So right from the graph, negative infinity, comma 3, bracket. Now in this compound inequality, x is in the middle. And again, you've solved it. We showed how to do that on the paper test. The numbers you're interested in are a -6 and a 4. And again, -6 is not included, so you use a parenthesis. 4 is included, so use a bracket, and then fill in between the two. Now to convert this from the graph to interval notation, right from the graph, take the parenthesis, -6, 4. 4 is included, so you use the bracket. So just a little short review of what we didn't show you on that Chapter 2 test, but will be included in your MathLab test.